From one user gambling his mom's IRA for the past 18 months to another user being fired from his job and becoming a full-time trader. We are going to go over WallStreetBets' Juiciest July Trades. Piano Professional is a user who got fired from his job in May, and instead of finding a new one, he stumbled upon the subreddit of WallStreetBets. He used to work in New York City's tech industry, managing his company's operations, and doing it for a soul-sucking 55 hours per week. Fortunately, he had at least saved up $8,000, and he was ready to YOLO it all. He opened up Robinhood and bought $5,600 worth of Nvidia calls, with a strike price of $165. It turned out to be his lucky day. Around this time, Donald Trump allowed Nvidia to resume selling AI chips to China, which significantly boosted Nvidia's share price. Just a while later, on July 15th, his calls had increased by 213%, earning him a profit of $12,000. His confidence in Nvidia was short-lived, though. Right after that trade, he bought Nvidia puts worth $6,000, this time with a strike price of $177. Soon after, Nvidia's share price did dip, and his puts rose in value to $7,200. Still, the profit was nothing more than minuscule. He says he got insanely lucky on those Nvidia calls, and now claims he could never return to a traditional job again. Sad to break it to him, but luck doesn't last forever. We'll probably see him at Wendy's in a couple of months. But hey, at least he managed to pay off his student loans and even showed his Roth IRA some love. Solid Sock is a user who decided to trade his mom's IRA, with consent of course, but still, it's her retirement account. Kinda wild. The account started with $760,000 back in January 2024. Over the next year and a half, he added another $605,000 into it, bringing the total to around $1.36 million. With this load of cash, he went straight for options trading. His first big win was on a stock called HIMS. He bought call options when the stock was around $10 and sold when it shot up to over $20. He says he sold too early, but still made a solid profit. Next, he shifted his focus to quick trades on Nvidia and Google, buying in when prices dropped, like the time he bought Google options, right when a rumor hit that Apple might ditch Google search. The market panicked and he bought the dip. His approach was actually pretty smart. He didn't chase risky bets. He picked options that were close to the current stock price and gave himself a few months for them to play out. He aimed for 20 to 50% profit on each trade and usually closed out in a week or two. Because he used options that gave him more time, he didn't lose much money if the stock didn't move right away, and he always kept a good chunk of cash ready for new opportunities. But things weren't always smooth. In April 2025, his account crashed hard. Tariff news sent the market into chaos, and his portfolio dropped all the way down to $800,000, almost all of his gains gone. But instead of quitting, he came back swinging. Over the next few months, he made it all back. By July 2025, the account had exploded to $5.4 million. That's over $4 million in profit in just a few months. When he posted his update to Reddit, he said he had already taken profits. 85% of the portfolio was sitting in cash. The rest was split between QQQ puts and UNH calls. Not bad for someone trading their mom's retirement fund. Jealous Will is a user who went all in on Open Door Technologies and decided to share his wild ride. It started with a massive buy of 27,000 shares. By the time he made his post, he was already up 100% on the position. He said things really started to pop when Open Door's CEO, Eric Wu, rang the opening bell on Wall Street. Since then, the trading volume has been going wild, and that made him wonder, if the stock moves like this with no real news, what happens when some real hype shows up? Based on the trend, he believes the stock could hit $3 to $4 as soon as next week. That timeline matters because Open Door has been trading under $1, and if it doesn't get back up soon, it could be kicked off the Nasdaq. But if it stays above $1, he says a bunch of trading bots and algorithms will jump in, possibly pushing the price to $8 or even $10. And Jealous Will wasn't just making predictions. That same day, he opened two more positions, one for 8,000 shares and another for 56,000. That last position alone is now worth over £93,000, with a gain of about £9,600. If the stock hits $8 to $10, he plans to take profits on half and let the rest ride. He also mentioned possibly adding a £5,000 CFD position if it really breaks out. Proofly is another user who chose Open Door Technologies as his one-way ticket to getting rich. He opened a Canadian tax-free savings account and deposited $55,000 into it, dividing it across EFR shares, open shares, and open call options. With Open Door Technologies' major rally, his portfolio grew by 86%, reaching over $100,000. And the best part of all, he doesn't owe any tax on his massive gain, thanks to his Canadian tax-free savings account. That's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed WallStreetBets' Juiciest July Trades. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.